National Scientist Emil Javier, National Scientist Dolores Ramirez, National Scientist Carmencita Padilla, dear Secretary Renato Silidon Jr., my DOST colleagues, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, good evening. Magandang gabi po sa ating lahat. It's a great honor to stand before you tonight at the Kathabi Passion Innovation Show, featuring the IPP Abaka Hybrid, a showcase that beautifully and creatively brings together art, science, and sustainability. The Philippine Council for Agriculture, Aquatic, and Natural Resources Research and Development of the Department of Science and Technology, or DUST-PICARD, extends its warmest congratulations to the Institute of Plant Breeding of the University of the Philippines, Los Baños, and the DUST Philippine Textile Research Institute for the important event as we celebrate not only the science behind the development of the hybrid, but more importantly, its use in the textile and fashion industry. As you may know, the local Abaka industry has long faced complex challenges. The varieties recommended for commercial planting remain susceptible to major diseases such as the Abaka banchita and are sensitive to heat and drought. These biological limitations, coupled with broader and socioeconomic issues, continue to threaten the productivity and sustainability of one of our country's most valuable natural resources. Recognizing the importance of Abaka as an export champion and a symbol of our agricultural heritage, we knew that decisive action was necessary. New strategies needed to be explored to ensure that we can arrest the problem head-on. Thus, over a decade ago, we drew our strong support behind a bold and innovative solution, the development of an Abaka hybrid.